Custom design. The Laserbox software consists of a working page and a design page. On the left side of the design page is a toolbar, where you can select the relevant tools to insert graphics, components or text, or create an image directly. On the left side is a setting panel where you can set up relevant parameters for the image. For example, quickly merge images using the boolean operation, exclude top layer, opt-in overlapping images, exclude overlapping images, or align, flip, or rotate images. We will now design a make block Panda to demonstrate these functions. Insert images, set angle, adjust image size, merge images, align images, exclude top layer image, insert text, change the font, switch to the process page, set the cutting and engraving areas, confirm position, click send. Thanks for watching.